Hi there, a quick tutorial on how to deal with video flickering. So all what we need to do is select our video, click Alt, drag it one line up, or in other words duplicate it, move one frame forward, adjust the opacity to 30%, do it again, move it one frame forward, and that's it. This is how we can deal with flicker. Of course, now we can cut the front and the back of video so it's gonna be equal, and as you can see, there is no flicker left at all. So thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you in the next video.